Be ready. Start. I know the accused. Full stop. Accused were my house servants. Full stop. 26 8 2013 in between 11:30 a.m. at at 12 noon I was reading newspaper in the veranda of the house. Full stop. My wife Suman has been to bath during that time. All the three accused committed theft of diamond earrings of my wife kept in the wooden cupboard of our bedroom. Full stop. After returning from bath a an hour later, my wife noticed the missing of diamond earrings. Full stop. By that time, accused went away from our house. Full stop. Therefore, I lodged FIS against accused before the police. Full stop. Now I see the FIS. Full stop. It is marked as EXP3. Signature of witness is marked at EXP3A. Full stop. Para. After 2 days of lodging FIS, police recovered one ear ring stolen from our house. Full stop. The other earring is not recovered so far. Full stop. After 2 days of the incident, police called me to the police station and I identified one earring seized by the police. Full stop. Now I brought the same before the court. Witness produced the same from his possession, full stop. It is returned back to the witness, full stop. Witness identified the photograph of said earring. They are marked as exp4 and exp5, full stop. Para. I am an agriculturist and owning landed properties at Navagalti of Bailwangal Taluk, full stop. Our joint family owns 45 acres land, full stop. I myself looking after the same, full stop. It is false to suggest that normally we will be at Navagatti, full stop. Witness volunteers he is residing at Belagavi and visiting his land, full stop. I lodged the FIS on the next date of the incident, full stop. I suspected the theft by the accused and lodged FIS against them, full stop. At that time I was not sure as to who committed theft, full stop. It is true to suggest that the person who supply the paper who also come to our house, full stop. Witness volunteers that he would go without entering to the house, full stop. It is false to suggest that the milkman and laundry person will also visit our house, full stop. Stop.